Girls have a mission to help the Tulsa Police Department one officer at a time.
Started with a class project and a little yarn. 2 News anchor Brianne Palmerini explains. Brianne?
Well, sisters Savannah and Madeline Eng developed a love for knitting. And it's not your typical hobby for an 8- and 10-year-old, but they aren't your typical girls.
They gave me a challenge to use $1 and to make an impact on somebody's life.
That was the assignment handed down to Savannah at school. $1 to make a difference.
I decided to make scarves for police officer men and women and then donate them to them where they won't be cold in the winter time.
She says she got the idea because of the police officer that helps out at her school.
Well, they always have to stand out and guard places for the whole time, and then when we're all inside so they could get really cold.
Savannah's mom and sister joined in.
She got some garage sale yarn.
And soon the idea started to get much bigger than $1.
As she would tell people about it, they would want to get involved and the excitement kind of spread.
From Savannah's church to friends at school, even the folks at Loops, a yarn store in Tulsa, decided to join in. They've put out a donation box to collect scarves. They already have dozens.
I'd love to put a scarf in the hands, like I said, of every Tulsa police officer. I think that would be amazing.
It's just a way to say thank you to those who protect and serve. And Savannah's already delivered her first scarf.
The first one that she gave that to that officer, and it just, you could see it just spread all over him as he knew that they made it out of love.
Well, the girls would like to collect at least 100 scarves for officers before the end of February. If you would like to get involved, find out how at kjrh.com. Brianne Palmerini, 2 News works for you.